The hottest cryptocurrencies in 2023 will be determined by detailed and careful observations. We would not just look at the surface, but beyond it. This was one of the things that many investors and analysts failed to do so in 2022. There was a twist of the story for cryptocurrencies in 2022 as major indexes plunged into bear territory and inflation surged, causing investors to flee from risky assets. Cardano was deeply caught up in this twist, but will there be a change in 2023? Cryptocurrency is new, and no one knows for sure what the landscape will look like several years down the road. But in every storm or crypto trouble, there is always good news. The current economic turbulence may be weighing on crypto now, but it has not altered what each player has to offer to the industry. If you were optimistic about crypto's future back in 2021, there's plenty of reasons to revive that optimism. To stand out in a sea of thousands of cryptocurrencies is difficult, but the Cardano network is about to give it a try. This development could provide for investors who might be skittish about the crypto market and Cardano in general. In 2023, Ethereum could be the savior that helps bring back investors to the crypto market. Cardano is on the way to getting even better, and its outstanding upgrades should draw more users and investors. Cardano ADA sank 81% last year, but like Ethereum, Cardano may proffer a safety feature for hesitant investors. And Cardano could attract investors because it is cautious about the way it develops its blockchain. The platform uses a peer review system before any update is made. This encourages slower progress, but it ensures stability, and that could be something investors appreciate in today's difficult market. Since Cardano's launch, it has not missed a block of data during the validation or encountered a network shutdown during upgrades. There are other reasons to love Cardano right now as well. Last year, the network completed upgrades permitting it to move forward in the world of decentralized applications. Cardano also made the list of the top 10 cryptos most used in payments last year as well. As a result, people are using Cardano increasingly more. Cardano users should join the moving train through the introduction of 2 new stablecoins expected early this year. Cardano developers are unrelenting. They are currently working on something that triggers much excitement that could also make the network one of a kind. There are the Hydra Head upgrades, and this idea is to make it possible to handle certain transactions on these Hydra Heads off the main chain. Plus, this decreases congestion and increases speed. Cardano is a new player with a lot of room for growth, and its strategy for development offers a bit of safety. Investors might like this particular combination coming into 2023. On January 4th of 2023, as investors waited for the release of the latest meeting minutes from the Federal Reserve, several popular cryptocurrencies spiked in value. Cardano was up 6.5%, and Ethereum traded about 3.3%, and the price of the meme coin Dogecoin traded at about a 2.8% increase. This data offered some clues about how this year would be for cryptocurrencies, but no specific conclusion has been made. The market is currently in a wait-and-see mode, but the more proof that the Fed can get that inflation is easing and trending in the right direction, the faster it can stop raising rates, which will further create a better environment for riskier assets such as crypto. Nonetheless, Cardano has already started seeing impressive gains. The Ethereum rival and one of the largest altcoins in the crypto ecosystem recently noted a spike in whale wallet holdings. The Cardano community members await 3 crucial events in the altcoins network in 2023. It is screaming bullish. There was an increase in the ADA token holdings of large wallet investors. ADA holders with 10,000 to 100,000 tokens have skyrocketed their holdings consistently since mid-November 2022. According to the chart from Santiment, whales hold between 10,000 and 100,000 coins, and 100,000 and 1 million ADA have scooped up ADA over the past 2 months. Cardano holders are looking forward to the launch of Hydra, Cardano's Layer 2 scalability solution, and more bridges linking the blockchain network oracles. The founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, has assured the Cardano community that the altcoin is on track to meet its developmental milestones in 2023. From the latest reports, the broader cryptocurrency market witnessed a fresh pump, with altcoins taking a lead. On January 8th, Cardano ADA and Solana led the altcoin market rally with a 20% gain for each coin. Cardano ended up trading at around 33 cents and has a market cap of $11.3 billion. Notably, since the beginning of the year, ADA has been reflecting significant strength with nearly 10% gains last week. With this performance, Cardano has been back in the news since whale accumulation. It has added a total more than 200 million ADA coins so far. If the current ADA price continues to hold, we can anticipate a change from resistance to support and to continue the journey from here on onwards. Another major altcoin facing a surge over the past week is Solana, which, as we mentioned earlier, shot up by 20% and is trading above $16 with a market cap of $5.9 billion. This was also considered a massive breakout. On-chain metrics like social dominance, network, and the ratio of daily on-chain transaction volume and profit to loss indicated the trend reversal in Cardano and Solana, according to Santiment. Daily active addresses on the cryptocurrency network shows the volume of activity going on in the blockchain. A steady increase in daily active addresses shows an upcoming trend reversal, just like an increase in whale activity and large value transaction signals a spike in selling pressure and a bearish trend reversal. A rise in daily active addresses and high network activity is synonymous with an upcoming bullish breakout in an asset. These metrics successfully worked in favor of Cardano and Solana. According to a Cardano bull, the cryptocurrency is underpriced. The token has suffered along with other risk assets due to tighter macroeconomic conditions. Despite the downward trend, ADA has remained one of the largest cryptos by market capitalization. The pseudonymous analyst said this about ADA's future and its potential to see future gains. Quote, "I believe that's where it fairly belongs. Socials drive crypto value, and this is the third largest community at least. The 2020-2022 VC-driven TPS, TVL, and Ponzi-nomic psychos are coming to an end. Cardano will assume its rightful place." End quote. In contrast, ADA detractors posted their 2023 predictions for the token, and one of them, Eric Wall, forecasted that ADA would finally drop from the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The Cardano community refuted the prediction because some believe ADA will exit the general group and enter the top 3 positions, while others shared different expectations while bullish on Cardano. A user wrote, "It is not possible for Cardano to exit the top 10. The perfect storm of Elon tweeting some crap about Doge, Polygon partnering with Meta, and Sol VCs deciding to pump all at the same time. Insurance is the same thing people shorting ADA seem to also be shorting Sol, so they both go up with a squeeze." Cardano has been garnering traction for a while, and the recent accumulated momentum attracted active buys as data reveals the rising accumulation of ADA. Irrespective of the bear market, Cardano has proven itself to be a token worth holding with its utilities and the recent positive news that involves the rapidly developing DeFi NFT ecosystem. Alongside the entire crypto market, ADA has taken advantage of the mini bull run, followed by the right direction. While there is still no apparent reason behind the recent active accumulation of ADA, it is still worth noting that the blockchain itself has got massive announcements it is working on, which can be an enticing catalyst enough to get large investors to buy up the digital asset. During the Cardano Summit in 2022, the launch of an over-collateralized stablecoin was unveiled. Historically, the launch of stablecoins always end up being an intriguing catalyst as it propels on-ramps and off-ramps of funds that keep users within the ecosystem. Input-Output Global, Cardano's parent company, is preparing for the launch of the Lace wallet for Cardano. In addition, Charles Hoskinson has announced that his new clinic, Hoskinson and Wellness Clinic, will accept ADA as payment. Next month, open for business, he tweeted on January 6, 2023. Back in June of 2022, he also disclosed the opening of Nessie's, a restaurant and whiskey lounge which would also accept Cardano ADA as payment. Cardano is gradually stepping up its game. Several great dominoes indeed fell in the crypto market last year, but it won't hurt to give cryptocurrencies another try. If you snooze, you lose. Many investors are already used to this line, but it's not the best idea to make it to determine one's investment's decision, just to avoid cases of FOMO. You just have to be natural and intentional about your decisions about Cardano ADA. After all, there's no pressure. But of course, what are your thoughts on this? Let us have in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next video, but before then, check out our other videos to find out how Cardano is living up to the dream of being the Ethereum killer. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons.